Children, 1 second. Are you all in the mute mode? Hello, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Okay,
ma'am.
why there is no response from others? No response from others? All are very silent. Good morning. Okay, children, I had given you a work on the last day. Did you read that? Editing. Say yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So shall we start the class?
Yes. Yes.
Close your eyes and pray for a moment. Okay, good morning. We'll begin with a few editing exercise. So later on, I will make you read, okay? I hope you all can see the screen. Can you all see the screen?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
okay, fine.
Yeah.
Children, I had put a message to keep your workbook and some color pencils.
Yes.
And a rough book, right? Have you kept it? Okay, fine. Can you please note it down? Note the sentence in your book.
I'm in rough book.
In the rough book. Here's this sentence. Okay. Simi, Neeraj and I is going to the market tomorrow. Please write it. Okay? All of you, please write it down in your notebook. Simi, Neeraj and I is going to the market tomorrow. You're going to edit the sentence.
Ma'am, in the rough book.
In the rough book. In the rough book. Don't tell the answers now. I'll be asking the questions individually. Simi, Neeraj and I is going to the market tomorrow. Did you all write it?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Now, before we start, let me check how many of you have joined. Chris.
Ma'am, I didn't wrote full.
Oh, wait. 1 second. Chris and Celine as your John Daniel, Gauri Nanda. Daya. Abrit. Varada. Okay, children. Simi, Neeraj and I is going to the market tomorrow. Is this a correct sentence? No, right? There are a lot of mistakes in the sentence. So what is editing about? Editing is about correcting the sentence. Now let me start asking questions. The first question is to Prajwal. Prajwal, please unmute your audio. Okay. Just give me one mistake, one error. So children, as you read this sentence, all of you, please mark the error. Error means mistake. Please mark the mistake with the color pencil. You have written the sentence, wait. You have written the sentence in your book. So just color the mistake that you see in the sentence. Okay, Prajwal, tell me.
Neeraj N capital.
Very good, that's it, enough. Neeraj, N should be capital. So what Prajwal is telling is Neeraj, N should be capital. Wait. Who is
I'm stuck.
next? What happened? Neeraj, N should be capital. Now my next question goes to Adinath. Adinath, please unmute. Adinath? Yes. What is the next mistake that you see in the sentence? Was going to the market tomorrow? No, that is wrong. Simi, Neeraj and I. 3 people are there.
I
was. No. Shivadhyan, 1 second. Shivadhyan, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what is the next mistake that you see there?
I look at that. Ma'am, I can see the screen.
Okay, Leia.
Oh.
Leia, please
No, I can
tell
see.
me. Okay, Leia, please tell me, spot out any other mistake in this sentence.
Simi, there should be comma after Simi.
Very good. There should be comma after Simi because you are using more than 2 nouns there. So we have to use a comma after the word, after the noun Simi. Next one, let me ask Amiel. Amiel, please unmute. Please unmute. Yes. Do you see any other errors in the sentence?
I.
What is special about I?
Capital letter.
Very good. I should always be written in capital letters. That's it. Now, Juan, do you find any other mistake here? Simi, Neeraj and I, the remaining part of the sentence, is going to the market tomorrow. Again, you can spot 2 or 3 errors in the sentence. Tell me. Who is that? Yes. Isra, please unmute.
Ma'am, the question mark.
Very good. What should come instead of the question mark?
Full stop.
Full stop, because it's a sentence. It's an assertive sentence. It's a declarative sentence. Next, Anupama. Anupama, do you find any other mistakes? 1 second. Anupama, please unmute. Any other mistake in this?
Market, first letter, capital letter is there.
Very good. We need not use capital letter for market because market is a common noun, right? It's a common noun. Okay. Now, 2 more mistakes are there. Who can spot it? Ail, Arun?
I'm sure that.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you find out any other mistakes in this? 2 more mistakes have to be detected in the sentence. Tell me, which are the 2? At least tell me 1 mistake. We have made a lot of corrections right now.
Ma'am, tomorrow.
Very good. So, what
T
changes
should be capital.
No, dear. That's wrong. That's a wrong observation. Tomorrow T will not be capital. T is,
Ma'am, the spelling.
yes, who said that?
Shivadyan.
Shivadyan, what is the spelling of tomorrow?
T-M-O-R-R-O-W.
Okay, we need not have this double M. Instead that we should have double R. The spelling of tomorrow is T-O-M-O-R-R-O-W. Okay, and now one more mistake is there. One more error. Eva Rose, can you find it out? Read the sentence again. Simi, Neeraj and I is going to the market tomorrow.
The same spelling is wrong.
Oh, what spelling of Simi?
Wrong.
No, dear, it is S-I-M-I. I wrote it in a different way. That is my mistake. It's S-I-M-I. Devadarshan, can you find out any other mistake? Now the next last mistake is a grammatical mistake. A grammatical mistake. Yes, Anselin. Anselin, please unmute.
Ma'am,
Wait.
Simi and Neeraj and I is going to go to the market tomorrow.
No, dear, no. That's a wrong answer. Varada, can you find the mistake? Sorry? Abel, Don? Abel? Wait. Please unmute. Can you find the mistake? Who is that? Is it Shivadyan? Devadarshan.
Yeah.
Devadarshan, tell me. Yeah, Devadarshan, please tell me the answer. Where? Exactly. Yes. Simi, Neeraj, and I are going to the market tomorrow. Abel, so please
Yes.
give me the correct sentence. How can you write the correct sentence now?
Simi,
Neeraj, comma,
Neeraj,
and
and
I
are
are
going
going
to the
to the
market tomorrow.
Market tomorrow. And you have to put a full stop. This is the edited sentence, right? Simi, Neeraj and I are going to the market tomorrow. This is the edited sentence. So if you see the sentence above, you can see there are a lot of mistakes. And the mistakes are in spellings, capital letters, punctuation, grammatic errors, right? What are the different mistakes that you see? Punctuation, spellings. Yes.
We want to write this in our notebook.
Rough book. Please write this in your rough book. This is just an example of editing. And after this, we are going to read the text. Okay, do it fast.
We have not in English literature.
No. You have to write in the rough book, not the literature textbook, notebook. Don't write in the literature notebook.
Ma'am, not that. I'm saying, do we have notebook in English literature like
Yes.
Hindi? They have notebook.
Yes. Because last time the first lesson's note was supposed to be written in the notebook. I had already given you the instruction. I had already put the message. Don't write anything in the textbook. Literature.
I don't.
You have to write the meanings, question answers, and I had given you synonyms, past tense, make sentences. All this have to be written in your literature notebook, 4-line notebook. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, children, let's get back. So this is editing. I hope you are clear about the concept of editing. So what do you mean by editing? Wait, I'll ask Chris. Chris, what did you understand about editing? Yes, tell me. One second, Chris, please hold on. Let me mute. Otherwise, there'll be a lot of Chris, please unmute once again.
Ma'am, in one sentence, so many mistakes will there.
Okay.
That we want to
Correct.
correct the mistake.
Correct the mistake and rewrite the correct sentence. Now, Mohammad Amil, can you please unmute? Thank you, Chris. That was a correct answer. Amil, what are the different types of errors or mistakes that you can find in a sentence for editing? Just give me 2 examples. What might be the mistakes? Amil, is my question clear to you?
No, ma'am.
Is it clear? No. I'm asking now. Chris said what is editing, and I hope you also understood what is editing. We just now edited a sentence. So my question is, what are the different errors that you see in a sentence for editing? Juan, give me your answer, Juan. Unmute. I'll get back to you, Amil. Please unmute. Yes, Juan. Once again, unmute. You have not unmuted it. Please, unmute. Adidev, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What are the different mistakes or what are the different errors that you find in a sentence for editing?
Spelling mistake,
Spelling mistake,
capital letter,
capital letters,
punctuation marks,
punctuation marks,
and grammatic
grammatical.
mistake.
Yes, because in the previous sentence, what we edited just now, is, instead of is, we wrote are, because there was a grammatic error. Okay, we are talking about 3 nouns, Simi, Neeraj and I. You're not supposed to put is there. You have to write are. So that was a grammatic error which we edited. Okay, now children, I hope the editing is clear to you. Now please take page number 9, all of you.
Workbook.
Workbook page number 9, yes.
Workbook.
Workbook page number 9. I hope you can see the screen.
Yes.
Exactly that same.
Yes.
Yes. So editing exercise. To learn how to write correctly, we must first be able to spot errors. I hope the word error is clear to you now. What do you mean by errors? Errors means mistakes. 1 second, let me take the pen here. Just a minute. Okay. So what do you mean by the word error? Error is mistake in writing. Here are a few points that we can follow to spot and correct errors in text that we read. Now, first one is punctuation and capital letters. Does every sentence end with a punctuation mark? Does every sentence start with a capital letter? These are all the rules that you have studied. Every sentence should start with a capital letter and it should have the proper punctuation marks. Do all proper nouns start with capital letters? Have commas been used correctly? So these are the different punctuation and capital letters things that you have to check in editing. Then next comes the spelling. Highlight the words that you feel are incorrectly spelled. In the example we saw, tomorrow was spelled wrongly, right? Are the plural forms of words spelled correctly? We have to also check the plural forms of the words. Then sentence construction, that means the grammatical correction. Check for subject-verb agreement. That you will be learning in the higher classes, because subject-verb agreement means like you have to put the proper verb for the correct subject. Because in the example, we saw Simi, Neeraj and I. Subject, that is a plural subject, right? Because we are talking about 3 nouns. Simi, Neeraj and I. For that plural subject, we have to use the plural verb are. Is a singular verb. So, singular subject, singular noun. Singular subject, singular verb. Plural subject, plural verb. This is called subject-verb agreement. That is a commonly used error in editing. Now, the passage given below has spelling, punctuation, capitalization and grammatical errors. Highlight the errors with a color pencil, then check the answers given at the bottom of the page. Now, don't look at the bottom of the page. Are you all ready with that page, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, Anne-Maria Anish will read that. Okay, read that passage. That's given in the small box, rectangular box, starting with last week. Okay, start reading.
Last week, my grandmother made a big meal for dinner. I ate so much that my stomach would
burst.
burst. My sister put some noodles on her white dress. We laughed so hard, and I helped my sister wipe off the stain. And when Granny made
noodles,
it makes me very happy.
See, you can see in the passage plenty of errors, right? Plenty of errors. Children, is the passage given corrected? Is it a correct sentence?
No.
The correct passage, you can see plenty of errors, right? And if you turn the book upside down, you can see the corrected paragraph. Okay, last week. Okay, I'll show you once again. So please keep your book ready there. So what should be done? It should start with capital letters, right? Yes, last week. And what about the spelling of week? It's wrong. And you don't need a punctuation like exclamation mark. You have to put a comma. My grandmother made us a big meal. Look at the spelling of meal. Right. Jeswin, are you checking? Are you checking? Okay. Big meal for dinner. Look at the spelling of dinner. And there is no full stop after dinner. Again, I. Children, wherever you write the letter I, it should be capital. Whether it is in the beginning of a sentence or middle of the sentence or even at the end of the sentence, I should always be capital. Okay, so here I is written in small letters. I ate so much that it's not taught, it's thought. My stomach would, look at the spelling, would burst. My sister spilled, again, mistake in some, noodles on, see, not in, and not his. Sister is a female. So you have to use the pronoun her. Again, white, spelling mistake. White dress. See, there should be a full stop there. And again, beginning of the sentence, W should be capital. We laughed so hard. Here you put an exclamation. I helped my sister wipe off. Double F should come, off the stain. I love it when Granny makes, Granny is singular. So you have to put the S form of the verb. Granny should be capital, I guess. Granny makes noodles. It makes me very happy. Look at the spelling of happy. And there should be a full stop. So this is about the editing. I hope it is clear to you how to edit a sentence. You have to go word by word. Each word you have to check. And as Adidev said just now, you have to check for capital letters, punctuation marks, then spelling mistakes and grammatical errors. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Now, take page number 10, the next page. Okay. Now this is an unedited passage. Just as the previous one, we have a lot of mistakes here. So as you read this, please use your color pencil and mark the error. Okay, please mark the error. Please mark the mistakes. The passage given below has 15 spelling, punctuation, sentence formation, and grammatical errors. So all these 4 types of errors you can see in this small passage. Correct the errors and rewrite the passage in the space given. Go through the points given before editing the passage. That is the first page. What are the rules to edit the passage? Okay, now I'm going to make someone read. Anvia, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please read that passage. Preeti, Ankush, and Tara. Page number 10. See, be ready with your color pencil. As you see, Anvia is supposed to read the first sentence, and after that you must tell me what are the mistakes, what are the errors in that sentence. Okay, start, Anvia.
Preeti, Ankush, and Tara went to the
Store pet.
pet.
Okay, fair, fine. Now, tell me, what is the mistake there?
Ma'am.
Wait. Okay, 1 second. Okay, children, I want different students to give me the answer, not the same person. Is there anyone who knows the answer? What is the mistake in the first sentence? Not Adidev. Juan. Okay. Juan, please unmute. What are the mistakes in that first sentence, Juan? Speak loudly, okay? I'll wait. I'll come to you. Juan, I'm waiting for your answer. Isra knows the answer. Wait. Juan, you are not audible. Speak through the microphone. Speak through the microphone. Eva Rose knows the answer. Abrid? Laya knows it. I'm getting the message here. Let me ask others. Prajwal knows? Okay. Who will give me the answer? First one. Anselin? Jaswin? Jaswin, please unmute. Did you find any mistake in that sentence?
Yes.
Yes, what are the mistakes? Just tell me the errors.
Use first letter capital.
Very good, excellent. Excellent, Jaswin. So he says, Ankush, the first letter should be capital. So in the passage, you can mark that Ankush. You can color that Ankush because you have seen an error in Ankush. Then, next. Any other mistake? Let me ask somebody else. Ail Arun, please unmute. What is the other mistake that you see in this sentence?
Comma.
Where? Where should be the comma put?
Before the Ankush.
Before Ankush. That is after Preeti. We are talking about 3 people. Okay. So Preeti, comma, Ankush, and Tara. Next.
Ma'am, for the 2, the spelling is TWO.
Okay,
that is wrong.
Wrong. Very good. So what
Real is TO.
Oh, very good. Then one more mistake is there in the sentence. Prajwal. Yes, Prajwal.
Yes.
What is the next mistake in that sentence?
Store pet, not pet store.
Excellent. I'm so happy. Wow. You found out all the mistakes in this one sentence. So as he said, Preeti, here, Preeti, there should be a comma. Then Preeti, comma, Ankush, A should be capital, and Tara went to the pet store. It's not store pet, it is pet store. Pet store. So that was the mistake. Okay, so children, this is your homework. You have to read the entire passage. Okay, you have to read the entire passage and find out the other mistakes. Next sentence, we can read the next sentence. Ankush brought a big bag of food for his cat Whiskers. Wait. I know you are all very eager to tell the corrections. Who can give me the correction? Please put up your hand. Varada, please unmute. Yes, please unmute. Varada, what mistakes do you see in the second sentence?
Big bag, then off.
Okay. OFF. We don't need that double F. Just there should be one F. Then any other mistake? Big bag of food for his cat Whiskers. Devdarshan, I'll get back to you. Okay, Devdarshan, please give me.
Ma'am. Question mark.
Yes.
Ma'am. Question mark.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Question mark is a mistake there.
Ma'am.
Yes, Devdarshan.
Ma'am. No need P. Capital P.
Sorry?
No need capital P.
Ankush brought a big bag of food for his cat Whiskers. Devdarshan, what is the correction there?
Question mark.
Others, please maintain silence.
Question mark.
Anselin, please give me the correction there.
Ma'am, Whiskers.
Whiskers.
Look good.
What should be done for?
Look good. Ma'am, look good. Look good.
Hello, children.
Ma'am, look good.
I'm reading the second sentence. You have to tell me the correction in the second sentence. Yes, Anselin, please continue. What should be done there? Whiskers. W should be
Capital.
W should be capital because it's the name of the cat. There is one more correction in that sentence.
Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
children. Who is that?
Thank you, ma'am.
I'm not going to wind up the class now. Who started saying thank you? Huh? So this is a problem if I unmute you all. So dear children, you have to read this complete sentence and how many errors should be detected? 15 errors, 1, 5. So you have to read the sentence carefully, mark the corrections, mark the mistakes with the color pencil. Okay, mark the corrections with the pencil and rewrite the passage in the space provided. Is it clear to all of you? Is it clear to all of you?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I know the last error.
Okay, fine. So totally you should have 15 errors. This is your homework. And in the next class we'll be discussing that. Plus we'll be starting with the next chapter. Okay, so that's all for today. I'm going to wind up the class. Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bye.
Bye bye. Thank you, ma'am.